Okay, so now we've got a few items in here. The one thing that we can do is we can arrange them in any way that we'd like. So we can put the clips in kind of an order that we'd like. You can look at this one. You can see that this clip was taken with my cell phone, and I need to probably rotate it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this rotate to the right, and that's just going to move that so that it looks better on screen. I'm going to do that with that JPEG as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring that back. So now that dance video that I brought in was maybe a little long and I want to do some trimming or I want to do some editing to it. So I can click on this video tools on the edit tab, and this will allow me to actually do some splits on this. So I can go back and I can watch a little bit of it. I can see that maybe I want to split this clip right here. And so split just means that it'll actually divide it into two chunks. So now I've got the first chunk and I got the second chunk. And I kind of did that with my video. The trim tool, so if I go back here, I'll work on this, okay, and I'm going to use the trim tool. The trim tool lets me kind of pick where I want to start. So I can kind of drag it to this point here, and I can say, all right, we're going to keep that start point at 4 seconds. Okay, so I can drag this and I can say, okay, there's where I'm going to keep this, and then I'm going to bring this back to about there, and then I'm going to say save trim. Okay, so that trimmed the clip down, so it made the clip smaller, so I could meet the amount of time requirement that I maybe wanted with that. Okay, so that's doing that, and maybe I wanted this video to go a little faster, so maybe I want to do double speed, so we can see how that plays. Okay, so it moves through. Now, you can see this picture is actually lasting quite a long time. Pictures come in with various amounts of time behind them. So like this one, it's coming in standard at 7 seconds. And what I'd like to do is maybe put this down to like say 2 seconds. Okay, so if I do it at 2 seconds, I can bring it in. Maybe I'll bring this one down into 2 seconds as well. So I'm just changing the amount of time that's on this. And then we can bring our video back here, go ahead and play it, and you can see that there's playing my video. Now the other things that I can do from my video edit feature is that I can control the volume of a clip. Okay, so right now the volume on this clip is up, so if I slide this all the way back down and then play it, it basically takes the volume out so that you can't hear it anymore. And that might be desirable if I didn't want I just wanted to show the video, not the sound. Okay, so that's a couple of different things that I can use right there, and we'll see you in the next